SFG graph, you can understand that there are four addition, means there are four adders, okay, which I have required for this computation of this equation, FIR equation, and I required four splitters. Now what is the use of this splitter or this node? Splitter, the use of splitter is to split the incoming signal into the outgoing signal. Okay, means incoming signal is 1 and outgoing signals are 2 for this splitter, and the function of adder is to add the incoming two signals. Means here this adder is adding this b0 x of n and b1 x of n minus 1. X of n is getting delayed by 1 unit, so it is adding this signal and this coming signal and this incoming signal. Okay, now this signal will goes to this second adder. Now this second adder will add this incoming signal from this side and from this side. Okay, from this side the incoming signal is b0 x of n plus b1 x of n minus 1, and from this side the signal is b2 x of n minus 2. Okay, now the last addition will performed at this last adder. It will add this incoming three signals with this fourth signal. The fourth signal is b3 x of n minus 3. Okay, so therefore y of n becomes b0 x of n plus b1 x of n minus 1 plus b2 x of n minus 2 plus b3 x of n minus 3. Okay, now here the four adders are required, and 4 times multiplication also required. Okay, but we have seen that for multiplication the time required is high as compared to the addition operation. Okay, now see here the multiplier, the time required for multiplication is, I have represented it by TM, unit time, that is UT. This time required can be microsecond or it can be in millisecond. Yes, any doubt?
Ma'am,
Yes.
Ma'am, are you showing anything on the screen, because it's not visible over here?
Oh, sorry. Oh, sorry. I forgot to share the screen. Thank you. Sorry. Really sorry. I thought ki I have already shared the screen. Okay, now are you able to see the screen? Yes, guys? Are you able to see the screen?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
I have shared.
Ma'am, camera is on just.
Yes. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now I have turn off my camera. Okay. Now you are able to see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. See, now for multiplier, I am denoting it TM, unit time. It can be in microsecond or millisecond. That's why here I have taken unit time. We will always talk in terms of unit time. Okay, in future also. Now adder, the time I am denoting it by TA. TA time is taken by adder. TM time is taken by the multiplier. Okay, TA unit time. Okay, now I already told you that the multiplication operation will take more time as compared to the addition operation. We already discussed that if there is a 32-bit data multiplication, then it will require a 32-bit matrix operation. Okay, means one bit should get multiplied by 31 times, then it will get the multiplication of 32-bit data. Okay, like this. If there is a 2-bit multiplication, okay, then how much is the size of that matrix multiplication if the data is 2-bit? Yes, for 2-bit data multiplication, what will be the size of that matrix, or how many multiplication operation we have to perform for 2-bit data?
2-bit matrix.
Yes, very good. 2-bit matrix. Okay, for 4-bit matrix computation you required, and as you know that how to compute the matrix, you know that है ना, कि कितने मल्टीप्लीकेशन लगते हैं मैट्रिक्स में, मल्टीप्लीकेशन एंड एडिशन, you know that. Okay, now from this we can means we can have that key the tm multiplication time is very greater than the addition time. Okay, now see for this SFG graph, the time required for this SFG graph computation is tm plus 4ta. It is tm plus 4ta. Splitter don't take any time. Splitter को time नहीं लगता है. Splitter will perform any operation in 0 time, but the time required is for this addition and the multiplication. Okay, now the time required for this SFG graph is tm plus 4ta. Okay, now transformation techniques can be used to reduce this computational time. Okay, now we have to use some transformational technique for the reduction of this computation time. Means from this tm plus 4ta, we can see how to reduce this computation time by using transformation technique. Okay, and that technique
Ma'am?
is yes.
Ma'am, we are also multiplying 4 times, right?
Yeah.
Why wouldn't that be 4m, 4tm?
Yes, very good question. See, for multiplication, the multiplication will do at the same time. Okay, and as we know that the multiplication time is very high. Okay, the same cycle, one cycle is required, the complete one cycle is required for the multiplication. But for this addition, you can see that this x of n will go to this second node, but it is getting delayed by 1 unit time. It is getting delayed na, and then this delayed data will come to this adder. Okay, and this adder will have to wait for the previous data to come. When this previous data will come to this adder, then only this adder will add these two incoming data. Okay, for this third adder will have to wait for this data, and when this data will come, when it will get this signal, that is x of n minus 1. X of n minus 1 will go through this delay or flip-flop. Then only at the output of flip-flop we will get the delayed signal, that is x of n minus 2. And this x of n minus 2 will getting multiplied by this b2, and then it will come to this adder. This adder will have to wait for this previous signal. Okay, then again this last adder will have to wait for this computation. This last adder will have to wait till this third adder computation. This third adder will have to wait for this second adder computation. This adder will have to wait for the first adder computation. Okay, means this addition will perform in different time slot or different time period. Okay, in nth cycle this one computation addition will happen. In n plus 1 cycle this will happen. N plus 3 cycle this third addition will happen, and this happen in fourth cycle, because there are delays na. There are delay. And what we are saying ki for multiplication the time required is very high, and here the time required for multiplication is tm. Why it is? Because the multiplication process will happen parallelly. See here, b0, b1, b2, b3. When the signal is available at this particular node, then this signal will getting multiplied here. Multiplication will happen at this directional edge. See, multiplication will happen in at this directional edge. See here, b0, b1, b2, b3. That's why here I am telling that key time required for the multiplication is only tm. Okay, but the time required for addition operation is 4ta. Why it is 4ta? Because I required suppose for example this addition will require 100 microsecond. Okay, then when this data will get added here, these two data will get added here, then this data will available at the input of the second adder. Okay, and again this second adder will require 100 microsecond to perform this addition. Okay, and then this signal will come to this third adder, and then again this third adder will require that 100 microsecond or that time cycle to perform this addition, and like this. for TA. Suppose one unit time is 100 microsecond, then for TA will be 400 microsecond. Am I able to clear your doubt?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, TM plus 4TA is the total time of the whole process, or just we are
Yes,
just
yes, yes.
counting for the adders and multipliers?
Yes, it is the whole time, complete time.
So,
It is,
ma'am, no contribution of the delays.
yeah, computation delay is there, na? See, computation delay is already there in addition. See here. Are you able to see this cursor?
Yeah.
See, for this adder, okay, what is the incoming signal from this? At this node, the incoming signal is x of n. Okay.
No, ma'am. All the multiplications are happening parallelly, so it will
Yeah.
take equally. It's like they'll start at 0, and after TM time, they all will be multiplied. So we just have one TM time. But for
Yes.
as they are sequential, the adders are sequential, and they have a delay between them. So like the first adder will take TA time, and after that the second will perform, then third, then fourth. So we have TA, 4TA.
Yes,
But
yes.
in between those two editions, we also have a delay of 1 unit, right? So why don't we add that as well?
Okay, you are saying ki why I have not added this unit
Delay
time
also.
here for the multiplication. Okay.
No, not multiplication, addition, and as well as delay for in the total time.
Total time, yes, the delay is itself I have considered for this addition 4TA. ये 4TA में ही delay आ गया.
मैम सपोज अगर वहां पे डिले नहीं होता, तब भी
Yes.
तो एडिशन एक के बाद ही एक होता ना,
हाँ, if there
तब भी
is
40 होता, क्योंकि सिक्वेंशियल है वो.
किसी का तो भी ये अनम्यूट है, माइक अनम्यूट है. ठीक है. यस.
मैम आई वाज सेइंग कि अगर डिले वहां पे नहीं रखे हम, तब भी एडिशन तो सीक्वेंशियल एक के बाद एक ही होगा, तो टीए अलग अलग ही टाइम लगेगा ना तब भी.
अगर
तब भी
डिले नहीं
40
रखे तो भी.
हाँ, मल्टीप्लिकेशन पैरेलली हो सकता है, पर एडिशन तो एक होने के बाद ही होगा, दूसरा एक साथ, मतलब एक होने के बाद ही दूसरा होगा, तो तब भी 40 आता है. तो फिर डिले का मतलब क्या हुआ?
डिले का मतलब क्या हुआ?
मतलब उसको काउंट नहीं कर रहे ना अपन यहाँ पे, ऐसा कहना है.
काउंट तो एक्चुअली देखो ना, जब x ऑफ n यहाँ पे ये नोड पे x ऑफ n है, तो ये नोड पे मेरा सिग्नल क्या हो जाएगा? x ऑफ n माइनस 1. इट इज अल्टीमेटली वी आर कैलकुलेटिंग ना, इट इज कमिंग इन द इक्वेशन इटसेल्फ. सी दिस tm plus 4ta time is the it is required for this complete computation. दैट तो डिले भी आ ही गया ना उसमें.
मैम वो इक्वेशन में डिले आया, बट
नहीं तो इसमें भी
अगर
आया ना, ये कंप्यूटेशन में भी आ ही रहा है ना डिले. देखो ना, ये वो डिले होके इधर यहाँ पे आ रहा है ना सिग्नल एडर को.
डिले होके आया, डिले होके आने के बाद एडिशन का अलग समय लग रहा है जो टीए ले रहे अपन. उसके बाद डिले होके नेक्स्ट में गया, फिर एडिशन का अलग टाइम लग रहा है. उसके बाद डिले होके गया, उसके बाद फिर एडिशन का अलग टाइम लग रहा है. तो बीच का डिले जो है वो भी कंट्रीब्यूट करेगा ना होल प्रोसेस के टाइम पे. इक्वेशन में आ रहा है वो, बट अगर अपन सिर्फ अलग से टी निकाल रहे हैं पूरे प्रोसेस का, तो टीएम मल्टीप्लिकेशन में ले रहे समय सब पैरेलली हो रहे, इसलिए अपन ने एक लिया. एडिशन 4 हो रहे हैं, टीए लिए, लेकिन वो एक के बाद एक हो रहा है, इसलिए 4 टाइम्स होगा वो. लेकिन डिले भी तो
डिले वी आर कंप्यूटिंग इटसेल्फ इन दिस 4TA में यानी 1TA यानी एडिशन प्लस डिले, वो दोनों हो जाएगा. देखो हम क्या कर रहे हैं, सपोज दिस इज योर SFG फॉर दैट इक्वेशन. ओके, जो प्रीवियस इक्वेशन था वही SFG का डायग्राम मैंने निकाला है यहाँ पे. सी अब क्या हो रहा है यहाँ पे, ये आपका 1TA है. ओके, यस, हेलो,
यस मैम.
आर यू एबल टू सी? हाँ,
जी जी.
दिस इज योर सेकेंड TA है. Here I am drawing only TA. Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
This is third. And this is fourth. Okay, now see, this width is same, huh? Same. Now see, x of n यहाँ पे आया आपका फर्स्ट नोड में. Okay, now this x of n will getting मीन्स ये आपका सोर्स नोड है, सोर्स नोड से डायरेक्टली यहाँ पे फर्स्ट नोड में आ गया. ठीक है. नाउ दिस फर्स्ट नोड डेटा विल कम टू दिस नेक्स्ट नोड बाय गेटिंग डिलेड बाय 1 यूनिट टाइम एंड देन इट विल मल्टीप्लाइड बाय दिस x of n minus 1 and then it is getting added. तो ये प्रोसेस है, दिस प्रोसेस विल टेक दिस TA ना.
Yes, ma'am.
This will take one TA, one unit time. Okay. Now for this second unit time में आपका क्या हो रहा है कि ये जो सिग्नल है x of n minus 1 is again getting delayed by 1 unit time and then it will come here. As we know that splitter will not take time. Okay, splitter को टाइम नहीं लगता है, तो ये डिले यहाँ से यहाँ आ गया. Then this x of n minus 2 will getting multiplied by b2. तो हमें यहाँ पे सिग्नल क्या मिलेगा, b2 x of n minus 2. ओके, और यहाँ पे सिग्नल क्या मिलेगा हमें, when this x of n minus 2 will getting delayed by 1 unit, it will x of n minus 3. This x of n minus 3 will getting multiplied by this constant multiplier, that is b3. Okay, this will come here for this each and every this complete operation. We can say that we required 1 TA टाइम. ठीक है, 1 TA, ये 1 TA टाइम में एक एडिशन हो गया. दिस सेकेंड TA साइकिल में ये सेकेंड एडिशन हो गया, थर्ड TA साइकिल में थर्ड हो गया एंड देन फोर्थ में फोर्थ ऑपरेशन हो गया. देन एट द एंड व्हाट वी आर सेइंग कि y of n will be the addition of all these four. Will be the addition of all these four. That is this the data which has come at the input of this adder plus this adder plus this adder plus this adder. Okay,
मैम
This will
वही
come.
ना कि पहला एडिशन हो रहा है उतने साइमल्टेनियसली वहाँ पे डिले भी होते जा रहा है, फिर सेकंड एडिशन तक
Yes.
पहुंच गया तो डिले हो चुका है, तभी
हाँ.
उसके अंदर आ गया है ना.
हाँ, yes.
नाउ सपोज
Yes.
कोई एक ऐसा प्रोसेस है जिसमें डिले अपन ने 1 मिनट में कुछ ज्यादा दिया है.
Okay.
Right now we don't know exact value of TA कितना है, we are saying some TA time
Yes,
है,
yes,
but
yes.
TA की वैल्यू अगर अपने को नहीं पता है और TA
Yes.
से ज्यादा है डिले, तब तो ये लेना पड़ेगा ना, उसको उन दोनों का डिफरेंस एक्स्ट्रा ऐड होगा या सिर्फ
बिल्कुल
डिले कम
बिल्कुल.
होगा.
For that, suppose for example this delay is 2 unit time. Okay, suppose this delay is 2 unit time, then for the second clock will be more wider, it will take more time. Okay, then
Yes.
third clock will get starting from here, then fourth clock will be starting from here. And what is your what is the TA? TA will be the addition of all these 4 clocks, that is your 4 TA. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
आपका डाउट क्लियर हो गया ना,
Yes, ma'am.
है ना. ओके, हाँ, तो व्हाट वी आर सेइंग कि हाउ टू minimize or how to reduce the computational time which has been required for this SFG. The computational time required for SFG was TM plus 4 TA. Now we want to reduce this TM plus 4 TA time. Means we are concerned about this 4 TA time. Okay, now the technique is called as transposition. Okay, now the same SFG diagram we are going to consider, and now we are going to make the following changes. Now what are the changes? Okay, now the changes are reverse the direction of edges. Now suppose we are taking edge direction from left to right, then reverse that direction. Reverse means right to left, change the direction. Okay, then second is splitter node changes to adder and vice versa. Wherever is the splitter node, that splitter node will change to the adder node, and wherever is the adder node, that adder node will get changed to the splitter node, right? Okay, now source will change to sink and sink will change to source. Okay, then delay and multipliers in the same place. There is no change in delay and multipliers. Okay, they are at their same places. Okay, are you clear? ये आपको क्लियर है? क्या कर रहे हैं हम? ट्रांसपोजिशन में हम क्या कर रहे हैं? वी आर रिवर्सिंग द डायरेक्शन ऑफ डायरेक्शनल एजेस, देन वी आर रिप्लेसिंग द स्प्लिटर टू नोड एंड splitter to adder and adder to splitter, then we are again replacing source to sink and sink to source, and there is no change in delay and multiplier, they are on their own places. ये क्लियर है इतना सभी को? Okay, now we will draw the next diagram. Okay, means transposition. I will draw on this so that you will understand it. Yes, is it visible? The screen is visible? Screen is visible? हेलो, स्क्रीन दिख रही है आपको?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, okay. Okay, now see this SFG is the same which I have been drawn on that PDF copy. Okay, now what we are doing, we are transpositioning ट्रांसपोज. हम क्या कर रहे हैं? ट्रांसपोज कर रहे हैं प्रीवियस SFG को. तो हमने ट्रांसपोज के लिए हमने क्या बोला था कि रूल्स क्या है हमारे? What are the rules? We have to reverse the direction of edges. Now see the direction of edges for this edge, it is from left to right, left to right, left to right. Then we have to reverse it from right to left, right to left, right to left. Okay. Now these edges also we have to change. अभी डायरेक्शनल एजेस कितने हैं? 1 2 3 है ना, ऐसे. तो ये सभी के डायरेक्शंस रिवर्स हो जाएंगे. इसका डायरेक्शन ऐसा हो जाएगा, इसका अपवर्ड हो जाएगा, इसका ये डायरेक्शन हो गया, राइट टू लेफ्ट हो जाएगा. ओके, नाउ व्हाट वी आर सेइंग कि वी आर रिप्लेसिंग और चेंजिंग द स्प्लिटर टू एडर. अभी यहाँ पे स्प्लिटर्स है हमारे ये ऊपर के, तो ये स्प्लिटर्स हम चेंज करेंगे स्प्लिटर टू एडर, और ये एडर्स विल चेंज फ्रॉम एडर टू स्प्लिटर. ओके, नाउ सिंक सोर्स नोड विल चेंज फ्रॉम सोर्स टू सिंक एंड सिंक टू सोर्स. मीन्स ये मेरा हो जाए, ये मेरा अभी सोर्स नोड है, अभी ये मेरा सोर्स नोड चेंज होके क्या हो जाएगा? सिंक नोड. और ये मेरा सिंक नोड है, दिस सिंक नोड विल चेंज टू सोर्स नोड. इतना क्लियर है आपको? ओके, नाउ अभी आप पैरेलली मेरे साथ ड्रॉ करो. कॉपी पेन है सभी के पास?
Yes,
डू
ma'am.
यू हैव कॉपी पेन विथ यू? ओके, नाउ ट्राई टू ड्रॉ. अभी देखो ये y of n. Okay, now what we are saying कि this y of n means it is a sink node. Now this sink node will change to the source node. Then first of all I will write here x of n. Right? Am I right? बराबर है?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now let me draw this. This is my x of n. Okay, now see the direction of this directional node. Now अभी इसकी डायरेक्शन क्या हो जाएगी बताइए आप? How is the direction of this directional node? The direction here is the direction is from left to right. Now for this transpose, the direction will be like this. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now this adder should get replaced by splitter. Okay, This adder should get replaced by splitter. Okay. Then again this B3 को चेंज करो. ये डाउनवर्ड डायरेक्शन है तो इसकी डायरेक्शन अपवर्ड करो. अभी चेंज द डायरेक्शन ऑफ दिस B3. Okay, the splitter node will change to, yes, which node? Adder node. Okay, we will draw it one by one. Okay, now see the directional edge, it is from left to right. Change it. इसको चेंज करो डायरेक्शन. Okay, again change the direction of this. It will be like this. Then again this splitter will change to adder. Okay, then this adder will change to splitter. Then this directional line will again change its arrow. Okay, like this. Again change the direction. The splitter node will change to adder. Okay, now give the arrow. Okay, now I will write here delay D. Here there is again delay because we are not this delay will not going to change or multiplier will not going to change. So I have to write it here delay D. Okay, then again यहाँ पे क्या आएगा? Yes, बताइए. क्या आएगा यहाँ पे? B0, B1, sorry, am I audible?
यस मैम.
हाँ, आप लोग ड्रॉ कर रहे हैं क्या?
जी मैम.
Yes,
आप
ma'am.
लोग कर रहे हैं ड्रॉ? हाँ, प्लीज ड्रॉ. B3 एंड देन B4. ओके, ठीक है. सभी का ऐसा आया? देख लीजिए एक बार. अब यहाँ पे ये अभी क्या हो जाएगा? पहले क्या था ये? पहले ये था सोर्स नोड. अभी ये क्या हो जाएगा? क्या हो जाएगा बताइए? यस, टेल मी. इट विल बी सिंक नोड. ओके, इज इट ओके?
यस मैम. मैम वो B1 2 3 होगा, 4 नहीं होगा.
क्या क्या क्या? B0 B1. यस यस, सॉरी सॉरी, यहाँ पे B2 चाहिए. यस, अभी ये डिलीट नहीं हो रहा है, पता नहीं. ठीक है ना? आपको तो समझ में आ रहा है ना?
हाँ मैम, रहने दो.
ये B2 है और ये B3 है.
हाँ.
नहीं तो कंफ्यूज मत होना. इसको मैं ऐसे कर देती हूँ, B2, ये B3. ओके हाँ ठीक है हाँ और ये एडर नोड है ओके अब ओके नाउ यू ऑब्जर्व द चेंज अभी देखो पहले वाले एसएफजी में क्या हो रहा था इन प्रीवियस एसएफजी देर आर स्प्लिटर नोड्स ऑन द अपर साइड okay and delays are there okay and after getting delay the signal will coming to the adder node okay and this adder node will have to wait for the previous additions okay now what happened here the sync node is getting changed to the source node and source node will get changed to the sync node now we have to perform our calculation from right to left in previous diagram we have performed our calculation from left to right now from right to left we have to perform okay now see here x of n now x of n will be available at every splitter node at the same time x of n is available here x of n is there here x of n is there here x of n without any delay okay now this x of n will multiplied by this b of 3 this x of n will multiplied by b of 3 now we will see one by one okay x of n will be getting multiplied by b of 3 okay then it comes to this adder node then this b of 3 will getting delayed this b of 3 x of n will getting delayed by one unit time okay then again here we will get b3 x of n minus 1 then again it is getting delayed by 1 unit time then at this node we will get b3 x of n minus 2 okay then b3 x of n minus 2 will come here after a delay okay यहाँ पे लैच है या फ्लिप फ्लॉप है तो वो फ्लिप फ्लॉप में एक यूनिट टाइम का डिले होगा एंड देन एट दिस एडर द सिग्नल विल b3 x of n minus 3 what is the signal b3 x of n minus 3 okay now see now second signal second x of n is coming here x of n then this x of n will getting multiplied by b2 then ये adder पे signal क्या आएगा हमारा b2 x of n minus no not n minus b2 x of n आएगा okay now this b2 x of n will getting delayed by 1 तो यहाँ पे क्या सिग्नल होगा हमारा b2 x of n minus 1 then again after getting delayed by 1 unit time here the signal will be b2 x of n minus 2 means it is getting added plus b2 x of n minus 2 okay plus okay x of n is getting multiplied by b1 here b1 x of n minus 1 okay it is getting delayed by 1 unit then here the signal will be b1 x of n minus 1 okay and here b0 x of n means plus b0 x of n okay now you can here observe that after changing the splitter to adder to splitter or changing the directions here again we will be getting the same signal this is for example suppose it is y dash of n then y dash of n will be equal to b0 x of n b1 plus b1 x of n minus 1 plus b2 x of n minus 3 plus b3 x of n minus 3 am I right okay now you can see here this equation is same as the previous equation this equation is same as the previous equation yes or no
yes no
okay this means here we are going in correct direction we are going in correct direction